Oh, these feel tight. Yeah. Oh, yeah. It feels good. All right, so we got ourselves today an unboxing and a review of this bad boy right here, the Fit King air compression recovery system. You probably have seen this with athletes, professional athletes using it. It's also called Normatec, and at my gym they provide Normatec for members, and I use it after a hard workout or even walking a full 18-hole round of golf. So I guess it's supposed to help with blood circulation. It's supposed to help push out lactic acid. It's supposed to also help out with inflammation. The air compression recovery therapy system, I'm a huge believer of it because, like I said, after I do my therapy, the next day my legs feel like nothing, like normal, and so I'm not in pain or anything. So I wanted to check this one out. It's only for $300 on Amazon versus paying $1,000 plus. So why not try this out? I'm gonna open it up, do an unboxing, and then also, you know, show you what it looks like, and then kind of give you my thoughts and take on if it works well. All right, so we got the box here. Let's do the unboxing. So I originally thought it was gonna come in a bigger box. So I'm actually kind of quite surprised how small and compact this box is already. All right, so here's the bag so far. All right, I'm guessing these are the leg sleeves. So I guess you can get different sizes. I got myself a medium. So I think they have small, medium, and large. But yeah, here we go. Got one sleeve. Put that to the side. Guessing this is the other one. Other sleeve here. Looks like there's hooks here too. So I know at the gym they like hang them on some kind of hooks. And then the last is this box here. Let's see what's inside. Shows you the stuff that you have. Instruction manual. I'm guessing this is the actual system in itself. Here we go. All right. We got the power adapter. Okay, so yeah, we got the connector here. Guessing this goes with this here. All right, so I'm gonna actually try putting this on, kind of show you what that looks like. So give me 1 second here. All right, so we're gonna put this on first, my right leg. Let's put the other leg on. It's nice that they have zippers too, so if you wanna, they say you wanna get your feet all the way to the bottom. That way it's effective. All right, so basically you have the controller here, or the system, and then one end, and you just wanna hook up each leg. There's one, and then find the other one. Right, then turn it on. All right, so let's see. There are 3 different modes. So basically there's a sequence mode, circulation mode, and a combination. Let's do combination, and then usually for air pressure, I like it at the max, so that's 120 on here. I feel it starting in my feet first. This is going faster than I thought. It's nice too that this is really quiet, so it's not a loud motor. This is what the controller looks like. I really like how simple and how clear the display is, and then the buttons just kind of straightforward, or like which mode and pressure and time. Wow, you can tell the pressure is pretty tight for max. I like that. Kind of tell how. Probably shouldn't be doing that, but I think there's 4 sections. So feet, calves, your knees, lower like quads, and then upper quads. There are 4 different sections of compression. Ugh. I almost feel like this feels tighter than the Normatec. Yeah, you want to make sure you get the right size. I know on the Amazon site you can measure, or they'll tell you size, and you can measure the width of your length. One time I used a leg sleeve that was too small, and it was pumping air, and then all of a sudden the zipper started like coming undone, and yeah, we don't want that to happen. Yeah, I can feel my blood flow like going in and out. It feels good. All right, so hopefully that was helpful for you guys to kind of see what that looks like, how to set it up and stuff. My overall thoughts and review on the product, to be honest, it was no different from the Normatec. I actually thought it did a really good job. It got the job done. And I think what's even better is the price. For $300, you can't go wrong with that. It got the job done. It came in a nice case. The control buttons, the controller was actually very simple to use, and overall I liked it. And so yeah, if you go on Amazon, you can read the reviews, mostly positive. I hear their customer service is great too, so hopefully I wouldn't have to get to that point where I have to call them for any issues. But overall I like it a lot. If you like this unboxing and review, please like and subscribe. That would be awesome. And then until then, I'll talk to you guys later.